filled with so many incredible songs, but there is one that stands out. It's connected with so many people from all over the world. I'm talking, of course, about Defying Gravity.
Historic elections.
The future is in our hands.
I am incredibly honored to be your next governor.
NBC4, Telemundo 47, the power of two stations working together.
It's been an exciting night so far.
The most complete coverage across all platforms.
The first immigrant there, this crowd erupted.
In 2 languages.
En esta noche de elecciones,
It was your decision 2025. NBC4 and Telemundo 47, together working for you.
Not only does NBC Friday Comedy have all the cheers,
Still got it.
Get it, Wawa.
it's also certified funny with Happy Place.
How did you ask him without apologizing? Not in that outfit though, right?
Certified and the premiere of Stumbled.
I'm looking for tumblers and stumblers. Sweetheart, you are a force of nature.
Yeah, I have narcolepsy.
Are you dead or sleeping?
Also certified. Fridays are certified funny on NBC and Peacock.
please welcome Marissa Boney.
Wicked is filled with so many incredible songs, but there is one that stands out. It's connected with so many people from all over the world. I'm talking, of course, about Defying Gravity.
Wawa, what are you doing? You composing a song?
No need to be nervous. Just answer my questions honestly. It's easy.
I will answer honestly, and that will be.
Okay.
What'd you do?